Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the Excell Battery webinar for talking about our batteries and Criterion and measurements and shipping and all that stuff. So thank you for joining us. I know it's later in the day there in the MENA area, but we'd like to welcome you here. So just want to remind you that this webinar will be recorded, so it can be viewed at a later time. We'll send a follow-up email with a link so you can view this later and share it with other people in your company. We do have a Q&A feature, so if you click on the Q&A button at the bottom, you can ask questions and we will answer them at the end of the webinar. So I'd like to go ahead and introduce who we are. You probably could see us in the before we do that, well, okay, we're here now, but I'd like to introduce my colleague, Trip. Many of you know him. We've made some visits in the past. So Trip is our business development manager, and my name is Bob Fay. I'm the Houston regional manager. Both Trip and I have been working with Downhole batteries for many years, and we think we've seen it all, but I'm sure there's things we haven't seen, but we'd like to show you what we know about batteries and our Criterion Gauge. In the webinar, we're going to cover various things. We're going to talk a little bit about our product overview. We'd like to talk about quality and accuracy of the Criterion and how important it is to have accurate measurements while downhole. I'm going to do a quick demonstration on the Criterion software and data and show you what you could see when you use the Criterion. We also have some case studies of Criterion data, like how it helps solve problems that have occurred with the tool or downhole, and a quick summary of shipping to MENA countries, and basically a quick intro on our safety and handling information. I'd like to go ahead and turn it over to Trip, and he could talk about our company and some of the product.
Good morning, good afternoon to everybody. Excell was founded in 1985. It was a privately held company until December of 2021 when we were purchased by Ultralife. We provide full cycle custom battery design. We have a full staffed engineering group, support teams for electrical, mechanical, thermal, and quality experts, focused on rugged battery solutions, and a dedicated team of definitely over 100 employees. We have locations in Vancouver, Calgary, Toronto, and Houston. Our Calgary office and our Houston office are basically providing the downhole batteries that you use. Some of the other locations we have are more aligned with the lithium-ion product lines, but they also can provide the downhole batteries. But basically, it's Calgary and Houston that are supplying to the MWD, LWD world.
Maybe I could talk about this, Trip, real quick. Excell Battery offers the full life cycle of battery manufacturing, including design. So we can take it from very start to finish. So if you come to us with an application or a problem that you're trying to power, we can collect that information. We can help figure out the type of cell that you need. We can offer complete engineering design. We do the manufacturing, and we work with the customer, with the OEM, to take you through every phase of the design cycle to help you understand what you need to do with the battery, how to ship it, how to get it certified if it needs to be certified and such. And then we can work with the recycling on that as well. So we offer the complete solution. If you have a new battery application that you need us to work on, we can work with you to get that.
Our downhole battery features high quality and temperature for lithium thionyl chloride cells, the integration of the Criterion battery gauge, which is a huge part of our of our downhole battery. I'd say 95, if not more percent of batteries are made with the Criterion Gauge. The components are capable of withstanding all the environment that you're going to be running in, from 150C to 200C. The welding and solder joints are performed here on a regular basis for testing for all our operators so that they're qualified for building the batteries. We go out and research all the latest in heat shrinks and epoxies and all the components to make sure that they can withstand the environments that you all work in. The assembly techniques, well, a lot of that's proprietary to Excell Battery, and that's what separates us from our competitors. Our quality standards are, I think, the highest in the industry. We have definitely taken our packs and have them tested for vibration and the shock and the temperatures and all that. And then again, we have to get everything tested and certified to be able to transport it around the world, which we do on a daily basis. We make probably every pack that's used in the industry, from your typical tensor battery, which is the 73 CR4. Then you go to the Blue Star, which has been around for forever. Then you've got the Extreme pack. You have the APS pack. A lot of the APS is used in the Middle East. We see a high concentration of that pack. Again, the Extreme pack, and I'd say in the last 8 years, we've been providing the pack for the Evolution tool and the Velocity tool used by Phoenix with great success. And then of course the Criterion Gauge. I'll let Bob get into it, but definitely the Criterion Gauge is it for us. This is what put us on the map for sure. Bob, go ahead.
Well, the gauge has many features. Monitors and records its time of day, pack voltage, current, temperature, shock, 3-axis shock and vibration, rotation, and stick slip. We're the only ones out there to offer all those different measurements in the gauge. Nobody else does rotation or stick slip. It also will calculate capacity used, and we have a wide temperature range where it can be used. But it also has highly graphical software. The interface box that it comes with can act as the passivation box as well. And we'll get into here, the analysis and how you can analyze the data that you are receiving from the gauge.